born here, so you understand
Oh, yeah.
that.
Louisville.
The Fighting Farmers. That's their football team.
What a burger! What a burger! What a burger! What a burger! I love you! I love you! You are my love! Woohoo! جامعة هذايا ولا شنو؟ mortgages. What?
So you had barbecue, you had steak,
Yeah.
you had Mexican food,
Yeah.
and
El rancho.
what else did you have that I needed you to eat? Catfish. You had catfish.
Catfish. I got catfish.
So you got all four things.
Brahms.
Those are the four things that I would say in order to have a fully Texas experience with food, that is it.
Brazil, Mexico, Texas, and yeah, there is a United States embassy there.
There are a lot of them.
There
They
is a
sell-
lot of United States
and they
embassies.
sell cars everywhere.
Yeah. Was come for a visa and get a car free, you know. Business, American business. Shbir. Okay, there is the ambassador.
Yep.
He lives there.
Yeah.
That's why there is the flag. Yeah. The ambassador of Texas in the United States. Fantastic, yeah.
Yeah.
بالضبط.
We're on our way to Dallas.
Dallas, baby. Dallas.